Hello, and today we're going to take a look at this Mojo chat. But if you stick around until the end of the video, I will show you this phone I picked up yesterday. Me and the family went out to Devon for the day, and we happened to go past the car boot sale, and we popped in there, and I had this from the car boot sale. I'll tell you more about that at the end of the video if you stick around until the end. Anyway, let's go back into this one a minute. It is the Mojo Chat, the quirky keyboard. Look at the back. There we are. Let's put the battery in. I'm missing the back what holds the battery in, so I'm going to have to use a bit of sellotape. The good old sellotape, just to hold him in place. There we are. Right. First of all, I'll do the startup and shutdown, and then we'll have a quick look at the phone, and then we'll do the ringtones. There's not many ringtones on this one though. Here we go. Just turn him back on now then. Right, so we can see the menu there. Should be able to just make it out. Right, so if we go on to home, so look at the ringtones. That's it. It's just the 10 ringtones on it. And obviously the other stuff you have is just the menu, Bluetooth. Says they are at the bottom of the screen there. Here we are. And that is the Mojo chat. Like I said, I have lost the, well, I had it with the missing, when I had it, it was missing the back. But what's strange enough is the battery's actually a Nokia one, so whether this is a Nokia phone originally, I'm not too sure, but maybe. And there you are, that's the Mojo chat. And like I said, I went to Devon yesterday, and I went to the car boot sale in Devon, and I looked around the car boot sale. We got there about 10 o'clock in the morning, so it's pretty late. I looked around for some phones, but there was none there, and then all of a sudden, this was underneath clothes. This woman had picked up clothes because he was packing away, and this was under there. And I said, "Oh, hello, I'm not here. How much is the phone?" And she said, £1. And so I thought, oh yes, please, I'll have that. So I just open him up. It does work. I've tried it. It works on, it'll only work on O2, because originally on a BT. I've tried it with Vodafone, but I don't know if I'm doing it wrong, but I might have another go. But it seems to work with O2 anyway, and giffgaff. I'm not going to go into detail now, as I will be doing a proper video on it, but I will give you a little a quick little glimpse of it. And yes, a big huge chunky phone. It is massive. Holding in my hand there, it's absolutely huge, as you can see. And it also got the pull-out antenna as well, so that's fantastic. Like I said, the battery does hold charge, but not for very long. So I'll probably have to put it on a charge when I may make a video of it. We'll see. The front of it, look, absolutely mint. The buttons are perfect. No cracks, no scratches. I've got the charger for it as well, and the big massive case, original case, with the strap as well. So yeah, I think that was a bargain for £1. I couldn't believe it when she said £1. It must have been because she was packing up and she didn't, and they couldn't be bothered. So anyway, thank you very much for watching as usual, and I'll be back pretty soon with another video. And bye for now, and bye.